biggest mistake I want you to avoid is to never, ever, ever send traffic directly to an offer. This is why I created a lead magnet. And I use a very particular kind of lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically a free report or a video. And you probably have seen them online. They're all over the place now. But the one I used, when I created, I called it one question lead magnet. And basically, what I'm trying to do in my lead magnet, in my free report or video, is to answer that question. Please write this down. When it comes to, and then you write your niche, markets, or problems, what is the number one thing people need to know or ask themselves? When it comes to your niche, market, or problem, what is the number one thing people need to know or ask themselves? So my free report was about, when it comes to crypto investing, what is the number one thing people need to know or ask themselves? And I answer that question in a report. Let's see, let's do an example. Who's here has a product online? Gentlemen, what kind of product do you sell? Courses?
Yeah.
What niche? What market?
About analytics, web analytics.
Okay, so for you, that would be, when it comes to marketing analytics, that's what you said, what is the number one thing people need to know or ask themselves? And you will answer that question in a free report and give it away against their email address or details, information. Does that make sense? Yeah, got it. Then I went to a website called Fiverr.com. I created a nice cover, and I created a landing page with a website called leadpage.com. And that was my landing page. Very simple, clean landing pages. Free report, the one question to ask yourself before investing in cryptocurrencies, free download. And it was a two-step landing page. People would put their email address, they would get their report, I would get the email. Very simple. And all my ad spend went to that page. I didn't send the traffic to the crypto course. I sent all the traffic to that landing page. So never, ever, ever send the traffic directly to an affiliate offer.